In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your motherboard model name in Windows in seconds. So in order for us to find it, it's actually quite simple. What you're going to do is hit the Windows button right here and then go ahead and type system information. Go ahead and open this one and you should be able to see this. So if I'm going to scroll down, you should be able to see here the baseboard manufacturer. Baseboard refers to your board here or motherboard. So as you can see, it is from MicroStar International, which stands for MSI, and then the baseboard product is MAG B550M mortar. So this is basically the model name of my motherboard. So I've copied this one right here and I'm just going to go ahead and search it in Google. So here in Google, I'm going to type it and I'm going to click this one right here. And as you can see, you should be able to see here everything, an overview. Specs wise, you should be able to see it here as well. So yeah, that is how you are going to find the model of your motherboard.